Be alert for changes in the breast and get tested early. The warning to women this evening. It comes amid a realization by experts that the age of women being diagnosed with breast cancer is changing to a younger profile. Details in this report.
Leptospirosis and tetanus are the diseases now at the forefront of the public's mind in the immediate aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. But one senior medical expert based at the University Hospital of the West Indies says the symptoms from those diseases are not the only signs people should stay alert for. Breast cancer cases are also on the rise.
52 is the maximum age, the peak age for breast cancer here, but we'll always have, and we are seeing more and more women in their 30s who have no family history of breast cancer and yet still are coming in with them. So what we advise women is this. From teenage girls coming up, be aware of your chest, your breast. It's called breast self-awareness. Be aware of your chest, and this is for men as well, because we have men with breast cancer. Right? It's just not as common as women, right? So we admonish men and women to be aware of yourself. Aware of men, be aware of your chest. If you feel any change or see any differences in your chest, any lump, any redness, anything at all, get it checked.
The World Mammogram Day event was to be hosted the same time Melissa hit, but was rescheduled. Dr. Cornwall says organizers contemplated postponing the event until next year. But given the seriousness and the need to spread the word on early detection, it was necessary.
But we know that breast cancer is as much a disaster as Melissa was if breast cancer is not caught and dealt with. So we couldn't allow breast cancer to get away because Melissa is here. We know we still have to pay attention and save our women, and breast cancer does not choose a time of year to attack anyone. So it is always relevant.
Simone is a 10-year breast cancer survivor, a testimony to the benefits of early detection.
I found out that I had cancer at age 39. Actually, cancer is strong in my family, and I wasn't even thinking about it at the time, but because of self-examination, that is when I found out I had it. So it's best for you to check yourself. If you're not able to check yourself, you need to go get a mammogram or an ultrasound done so that it can be detected early, because early detection does help and it saves lives.
Other routine checks were also available for free-to-persons. Good chance too for myself to get tested, which I did, and happy to report my blood sugar and blood pressure are in the safety range.